Абсолютный рекорд России и абсолютный рекорд Анлима за всю историю. Дмитрий Саморуков. 23,861 тысячная. Также побит рекорд скорости. 405 километров в час. Вдумайтесь в эти цифры. Всем спасибо, друзья. Встречаемся в следующий раз. Здесь же.
Are you ready to become a millionaire?
What's the number that you actually really dream of earning?
David Bach, 9-time New York Times best-selling author and financial guru,
If you save 20% of your income, you will be really rich.
has a plan
$50,000 a year, $100,000 a year, $200,000 a year.
that could make you
Are you in favor of that?
Absolutely.
an automatic millionaire.
That is the secret to entrepreneurship, that actually is that anything's possible.
Powered by worldwide e-learning experts ProU.
I really desired to take the Automatic Millionaire brand to another level.
Bach and Company have created a proven, aggressive, automatic, personal finance program.
If you're ready, then we have the roadmap for you to take to make the decision to act.
that could seriously change your life forever.
I would really like to see us create 1 million automatic millionaires.
If you've got the passion,
Do I think that's possible?
we've got the plan.
I absolutely do.
Are you ready to become the next automatic millionaire?
I can show you a business here where you can grow your income and get your financial life together. You don't have to be a rocket scientist to build wealth. We're building a community of entrepreneurs that want to be smart with their money. My goal is for all of you to become automatic millionaires. If we accomplish that, it would be enormous.
So, are you in?